All right, guys, just a quick one. Somebody was saying that the GPS preview remote, the watch band, I did a review on this, and they have thick wrist, and I have thin wrist, and I find this that when I put it on my wrist, there's not a lot of loops left. So I'm not sure. I sent a note to Insta360 about this. I think they should have made this standard 21 or 22 millimeter band, so you can actually swap those out. I don't know why they went with a one piece. Not a great idea considering they don't have an optional longer length strap. So somebody had asked me to maybe I could design something in 3D for them to 3D print, because they want to mount this on a car, the GPS remote on a car, instead of using the watch strap or the actual what's the other one, this one here, which is the pole or handlebar strap, which is even smaller. So they want to be able to mount it somewhere in their car. So I kind of searched around a little bit, and I found this. I can't take full credit for this. I found this on the Thingiverse. Somebody already actually made a kind of a clip for the remote control base. So this is the charging base. If you guys didn't know, the actual plug comes out, so you can actually charge your remote while it's in the watch strap. That's what that hole is for at the back. Okay. So it actually pops out. It actually goes in and it comes out. Okay. So somebody had made this piece here. So basically it's a little hump, and that goes in a little hole in the back. And what this does, basically, it straps this in, holds it in so it doesn't fall out, because the magnet's not that how do you say, strong, that if you flip it over, the thing will fall out. So he made the strap for this. So I thought, interesting. So I took this I took this idea and this little clip idea, and I redesigned it, and I made this piece. So this is the clip that I got from Thingiverse, the guy who designed it, so he gets full credit for that. But I also put in a what do you call these, finger mounts on the back, and I created a stopper. It's so if you have something rigged up in your car that uses finger mounts, or you can use this and connect it to a vent mount. I think you can buy them for the finger mounts. So initially what this is that here's the base pad, and you put it in, and it fits right in just like the other one, right? So if you have it on an angle like this in a car, okay, and I'll show you in a second what I mean. You can actually just slide this right in, right? And it won't drop out because I've made this little tab here, so it actually blocks it. So I'm going to put it on here as an example. Okay, so that's what it looked like in a car. So you can access this in a car, and you have full use of the screen, sliding and everything. Okay, that said, and I said, okay, what if they want to use a charger? So we can use a charger with this as well. So what you have to do is you have to take this out, and if you want to charge, if you're using your car all the time, you can utilize the charger. So you just plug this back in here. Okay, and you do have to put it in before you slide it back in to this mount. Just slide this mount back in this way. Or actually go this way. Okay, so now when I've got this connected to a power bank, so now when you have this in your car, just angle this a little bit so you can see it better. So I just slide it in, and it automatically should turn on and charge. There it goes. So now it's charging. Okay, and it's in there pretty good. It ain't gonna come out. Okay, and if you want to get it out, there's a trick to this, because the charging forks, they kind of protrude out, and they kind of go into the charger. So what you have to do is, instead of sliding it out, it doesn't really slide out very easily. What you do is just press it down, this part right here, and just slide it right out. See, it's kind of sticks out. It's like a pin almost, right? So as long as you press this down and slide it out, you should be okay. So it's nice. It keeps it from falling out of this mount. So there you go. So I can probably put this up for you guys. If you guys have a 3D printer, you can print this. I'll give instructions on how to print it. So all set. It works great. And I can navigate. Let me just turn it on here. Should turn on my... It's gonna connect. My Ace Pros is already coming on. I love how the integration here is. It's actually really nice. When you turn this on, automatic turns on the camera, wakes it up. It does take a few seconds to connect, unfortunately. I'm hoping they'll change that in the future. They'll be a lot faster to connect to the Ace Pro. But I think if you have both on, or if you have the camera on already and you have to turn this on, it connects faster rather than waking up and connecting to the actual. So now it's connected. So it's about 30 seconds, I would say. It connects 30 to 40 seconds, which is not bad. But yeah, look at this. I have hello. I love the screen on this thing. It's awesome. Anyways, hope that helps. Take care. Ciao.